Hi guys, welcome to our series all about Wix carts, orders, and checkouts. Today, we're going to learn how to set up a fragile packaging fee on your Wix site. Here's how you can do it. On your site's dashboard, go to the search bar and type in function. Select functions from the drop-down, then click on Start Now. Under additional fees, click on Create Function. On this small window, select Fragile Packaging Fee, then click on Use Template. Here, click on the condition. And here on the left, you can edit your logic's criterion. Item name is okay, just as is. And if you choose item name, you must input the item names over here that match your fragile products. Or instead of using item name, under order items, you can use item ID as your criterion. And if you choose item ID as your criterion, your text values over here should include the exact item IDs of your fragile products. So feel free to select an option. Either you can use the item name or the item ID. It's all up to you. Once you're done inputting, make sure to review everything. And once everything's okay, click on Apply. Now let's work on your output. So click on your output here. And on the left, select the amount you'd like to charge for fragile packaging. For example, 10. You can also rename that here. And finally, set up your main currency. By the way, the function won't work if the currency doesn't match your site's currency, so you have to make sure you're using the right currency on your site. And once everything's all right, click on Apply. Now review your inputs to avoid errors, and once everything's ready, click on Activate. And that's it. You've now successfully created a function for your fragile packaging fee. We hope you found this video helpful. If it was, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.